Welcome back to my channel. Subscribe, share, and comment. There is this disturbing story that I want to share with you. A story of 6-month-old girl that is being taken care of by her auntie. A 14, okay, they said the girl is going to 14 years old. So the mother will leave the child for the girl, for her sister, and wait for hustling and goes out for hustling. So the mother was not expecting anything until one day she observed something that no mother would like to see. No mother is praying for such thing. According to her, she said anytime she's bathing the baby will be feeling pain if she's washing her private bath. Until one day the baby became sick. She will say, I'll be going to hospital. She'll be going to hospital today. She'll be going to hospital tomorrow, because there was no money. Until after some days, the baby's stomach swollen up. And she became confused. By that time, she has to rush the baby to the hospital. It's no longer, I will go today, I will go tomorrow. Getting to the hospital, she got a news that shocked her. What is that news? That the baby had been fingered front and back, and the intestine of the baby had been damaged. This woman could not believe it. Her sister taking care of her 6-month-old child, even when no man is there. Her husband is no longer staying with them before she even give birth to the child. This thing continued. So they started the investigation. They went for a scan, and through the scan, they discovered the baby has been badly injured. That the intestine of the baby, this large intestine and small intestine, has been twisted. And the baby started bringing out something whitish liquid. And they said also that the baby has infection in her system. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you. So they carried out the investigation, another investigation, and they were referred to specialists that will do surgery on the baby. Got into that place. The doctor carried out thank God for Agonwa. All thanks to her and God that connects them to Agonwa cartel, that helped the lady to raise money with the help of other people. But she first of all deposited the one she had, and the doctor started operating on the girl. Could you believe the large intestine, part of the large and small intestine of that small baby was cut off during the surgery? The part that was badly injured, and this baby was so much in pain. After some hours, she died.